Hey guys, oh, the lighting's bad. I gotta show you my puppet I got. Yeah, I got puppet. I'm just looking out. Okay, you ready? You ready? I don't know if you guys you ready. Let me just put it down. Oh, it's going to be better.
Hey, you watch me every day. Now let's go.
Darn it. Oh, you saw it.
Nobody ever asked to dance with me.
2. You guys hear that music? Okay, just had to turn that down because I'm watching something in my room. Don't jump. Let me make it so you can see him more. Like I was at. Lighting from here. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay, you ready? Oh yeah, you ready? You saw him. Got little legs. Look at his legs. Ooh. This is my hand in here. You see the hole. There's his hand. I got big hands. Like his hands are so big it can cover his face. He's like, don't look at me. I like you. You me. And he's hiding. And then he has his other arm. Come over here and I put my right hand in here. Put my left hand in here. Boom. Hi guys. Hi. Oh, this is, I heard my pinky at school, at gym, recess, and I hurt it really bad. My best friend knows about it, and I told the teacher. Here he is, the chicken, in here.